Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today we're talking about the T2X staking platform. Okay, so here we are on T2X staking platform. This is built on the TRX network, so you use Tron for this. I have other Tron videos if you want to learn about it, get started, stuff like that. There's also the link for this in the description if you want to come here and check it out for yourself. So how it works is there's an auction for T2X tokens every single day. So you can see here's the amount of tokens that are auctioned off. So the amount of tokens that are auctioned each day is always reducing by a little bit. You can see the amount that people are willing to pay is increasing a little bit each day. And we can come to dividends here, and this will give us a chart for this. So the current dividend pool, 1.165 million TRX. It usually increases slowly throughout the day. So you can see this is super hype at the beginning. People didn't really know what to expect, and then it kind of bottomed out around 500,000 TRX per day, and it's seems to slowly be building. So I started to get into this platform somewhere around here, I think, and it's a very interesting platform. I'm getting over 1% daily interest, which is pretty insane. But how it works, every day they have an auction for the tokens. So you would enter this auction, and you can see everyone else is entering this auction with their TRX as well. All of these are amount of TRX per day. And then we can come here and see, where does this Tron go? To dividends. 95% of the Tron goes to dividends, to people that are staking their T2X. So after you enter an auction, once the auction ends at 8 p.m. Eastern time every day, there will be a collect button where you can click on that and then collect your T2X. After that, come to the staking screen. You can see right here, you can stake your T2X. So it'll show your balance right here after you collect. Then you can stake this amount. So I could stake 1,011. Then you type in the amount of days that you want to stake. So if you do 5 days, you're going to get 1 bonus day. And the bonus days just give you a little boost. If you do 10 days, you're going to get 2 bonus days. So it goes in 5-day increments. Then you stake your T2X, and it'll show up right here under my active stakes. So you can see I have a bunch of active stakes, and you can see this is the TRX dividends that I'm getting. So it's like 1 to 2% daily right now, maybe even a little bit more if there's a high dividend day. And then at the end of the staking period, this button, you never want to cancel your stakes, by the way, just don't do it. But this button will turn to a collect button. And then once you collect it, it'll go into the finish stakes area. And the TRX and T2X, once you collect it, will automatically be sent to your wallet. So then you'll have the T2X again. You can just restake that. You can take the TRX that it gives you, go to the auction screen, enter it into the auction, and keep compounding that way. So that's a little bit of what I've done. So here's the amount that I've purchased, and I've put about 123,000 TRX into this thing. You can see my amount staked right here. So I think I have around, I'd have to do the math, but I have around 450,000 to 550,000 T2X. And I just keep restaking that. You want to get dividends. You want to build up your dividends and then have that pay you out over a 100-day period, and then you kind of ROI that way. And then you're ROI'd and you can keep staking your T2X, and you're just chilling, just continuing to get dividends from people entering the lobby. And if you can get 1% daily, like, this thing is going to continue to go up. So I told you I spent 123,000 TRX getting my T2X, and I have like 450,000, I think. So you can see I've already made money that way, but I'm also getting all of those dividends. So on the staking screen now, all of these dividends are starting to come through. They're starting to build up. Every day this pile will grow a little bit. When the auction ends, it sends those TRX dividends over here to the stakers. So I'm just going to continue to build up my stakes, continue to compound these, see how far I can get this thing to go. They're also partnering with Void and a V2X platform, so there's a lot of exciting stuff coming to this. I don't see the auctions going down anytime soon. Like, I think it's going to continue to grow way bigger than what it is right now. It's only the 62nd day. I got in around day 50, I think. Wish I would have got in sooner, but it is what it is. Hopefully these auctions can get to like 5 million, 10 million, something like that. That'd be pretty crazy. And then we would be seeing some serious rewards, some serious ROI. We're already pretty serious, but it could get insane out here. So T2X, definitely one to look into. I have my referral link down in the description if you want to use that. It helps me out a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. I might make a video on like how much this pays me daily or something like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.